Hello friends, in this lecture we will take a look at operators. So how many types of operators are there in JavaScript? As we have already seen some but not all. So here we will try to include all the operators that are there in JavaScript that you can use and you can find it really useful at some point in your life when you were doing any kind of JavaScript project. So let's proceed. So first we have arithmetic operators. So let's provide a comment here and write arithmetic operators. So inside it we have plus sign, which is the addition, then subtraction, multiplication. Now another thing I need to tell you that multiplication here you need to use the asterisk sign. Of course we will see in example, but for now just I am telling you. Then we have the division, and then we have the modulus. I'll be explaining you all of these, so don't worry, be happy. Then we have increment sign, and then we have the decrement sign. Now let's go to the new line and let's write here where x equals 5, and then provide x equals x plus 5. This is the addition. Then x equals x minus 4. This is subtraction. Again x equals x multiplied by 4. What is this? This is the multiplication symbol, this asterisk. Then we have x equals x divided by 4. This is the division symbol. And what is this mod used for? Well, let me calculate it first. So x equals 5, then 10, 10 minus 4, 6, 6 into 4, then divided by 4, so it becomes 6. Okay, now what is mod? Mod is when you are dividing something, if it has any remainder, that remainder will be the output. So now our result is 6. So 6 mod 4, the result will be 2. So let's come here and write x equals x mod 4. Now let's come here and write here document dot write x. So now we will get the modulus answer. Let's save it and open in our browser. Here it is, 2. Well, let me show you step by step. So it is x, paste it, paste it. So at each stage you will get the answer. Let's save it, hit refresh, but you will get a confusing answer because there are no spaces. So let's write here initial number, and this will be inside quote. So our initial number is this one, x. Let's save it. Then let's write here after adding 5, and before it just provide a line break. Save it. Now let's copy this whole, press Ctrl C, come here and paste it. So this is after subtraction. Let's write here shortcut sub, after sub, and let's write it after multiplication or after multiplying 4 with x. After multiplying x with 4. Save it. After dividing x with 4, and here we are getting the mod answer. save it, and let's write here final answer. Now let's save it, come here, hit refresh. Something is wrong here. Document.write. Okay, here is the issue. Yup, now let's save it. Come here, hit refresh. Yup, here it is. Initial number 5. After adding 5, let's provide a colon here. Save it. And also provide here semicolon. Sorry, I am repeating this semicolon. This is not semicolon, this is colon. So let's save it. Come here. Come here, hit refresh. So initial number 5, after adding 5, 10. After subtraction, after subtracting say 4, right? So after subtracting 4, we are getting this answer. Hit refresh. We are not saving it. So let's save it. Come here, hit refresh. Initial number 5, after adding 5, 10. After subtracting 4, 6. After multiplying with 4, 24. After dividing x with 4, we get 6. And our final answer, which is 6 mod 4. The remainder is 2. So we get the answer 2. Well, I have saved it as arithmetic operator.html. Now, because I am hoping that this is taking a bit longer, and hence other operators will be explained in some other lectures. So let me proceed. So this is the modulus operator, and then we have x plus plus, which is the increment operator, and then we have x minus minus, which is the decrement operator. Now what is increment operator and decrement operator? Well, increment operator, this x plus plus, it is telling to increment the x value by 1, and this decrement x minus minus is telling to decrease the value of x by 1. So let's output it. Press Ctrl C, let's paste it, and it will not be the final answer, so it's after modulus of 4. We are getting this answer, and then here we will write after applying increment operator, and just copy it. Well, let's provide colon, copy it and paste it after applying decrement operator. Let's save it. Now come here, hit refresh. Here it is. After applying increment operator, we are getting the answer 3, because now x equals 2, so x plus plus becomes x equals x plus 1, which becomes 3, and this is the decrement operator, which decrements the value of x by 1, and hence it is going back to 2. So these are the arithmetic operators in JavaScript. In our next lecture, we will take a look at assignment operators. So that's it, friends. See you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.